Oh, are you tired of that painful sensation or feeling that you constantly have if you wear your mask for quite some time, and you can sometimes have a little bit of bruising or um, irritation at the back of your ears because of how tight your mask is? Well, let me give you one simple trick that I often use to just to prevent the burning sensation that you get at the back of your ears. Okay, what you'll need is your clean surgical mask or any mask that you have. Preferably, this works normally with tight fitting masks like surgical masks or the N95 masks. Okay, so what you will do is if you have an old mask that you are not using, so what you'll need to do is you can always tear off the end pieces of the previous mask. Take the new mask that you are planning on wearing and uh, take the string thing in and out. The idea is to create a knot, create an extra stringy thing. I don't know how you call it, but okay, this is the whole idea right here. Okay, at the end you want your mask to look something like this, so you just remove the extra earpiece from your old mask, tie it over the earpieces of your new mask and put it on. So what this does is, as you can see here, it doesn't it doesn't press against your ears, so it removes that sensation of you feeling pain and everything. So, and it's nicely tight fitting, quite tight fitting than it was before. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy that and use it. Word of advice, just make sure that you have a clean mask. Make sure your hands are clean at all times. Don't accidentally drop your mask. Play it safe. Take care of yourself, guys. This is another trick or tip from me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Share the video if you find it useful. Yes, spread the word. Thank you very much.